Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muhammad Sharifuddin bin Muhammad Azuki. Now I'm going to talk about the observation for our group project. For our group project, we have chosen multifunctional kitchen knife scissors as our group project. One of the problems that we identify is they have a limited storage space to keep scissors and knife. It is because these two products needs a good storage to keep it in the safe place. In addition, the problem that have been faced is they usually forget their scissors and knife when they want to use. It is because these two products have been kept in the two different places. This problem can make they waste their time to find them when to use it. Besides that, the problem that have been faced for people when to use this product is about the safety of this product. Some of people doesn't know the best method to use the product with efficient. Then another problem that we find is people will waste their money to buy two products in one time. It is because they only buy one scissors for one function only. The best solution for people to facilitate their work is they need to buy multifunctional kitchen knife scissors for their product. It is because this product will give more advantage for people when they use it. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuni Shazika and I will explain about literature review. The first one is key muscle. The key muscles involved in the slicing action are in the arms. There are many smaller and deeper muscles involved in the cutting action. It will be expected they will behave similar to the monitored muscle in that area. The companies in the kitchen's tools has been identifying what tools hurt to use and how can they be made more comfortable. A power wraps the finger and thumb around the tools and give the user strength to perform the task. Next, type of knife. There are multi-purpose knives recommended for slicing vegetable, the chef knife and the sontoku knife. The knife also given the consumer plenty of room for their hands to comfortably stay above the cutting board. There are three different theories for what the three virtues are. The first one is the ability to cut fish, vegetable, and meat. The second is that the knife excels in slicing, mincing, and chopping. And the final theory is the ability to use the three parts of the knife for different purposes. Next, knife material. Stainless steel knife has been around for a long time. They are strong, durable, and easily sharpened. These days, new metals are being used and mixed to optimize the knife. The ceramic blade is 50% stronger than steel. It's sharp and stays sharp. It makes for a light knife, but it is brittle and cannot be sharpened at home. This knife can do most of the daily tasks, but with hard food, it might not stand up to the challenge. Lastly, the grill kitchen scissor. When it comes to food preparation, office scissors just could not cut it. For meat, poultry, and seafood, you need heavy-duty kitchen shears that come apart for safe and effective cleaning. One of the scissor blades also includes a vegetable peeler. The tooth grip between the handle is perfect for cracking larger bones and nuts.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nufariza Mitemaro. Now I will talk about patent. Patent Step 27, 1938, United States. The invention held for its object to provide suitable scissors or shear of sufficient strength combined with device which will enable the scissors to be used for kitchen use and other utility such as a cap lifter and jar opener. For our scissors kitchen also provide a bottle opener. Patent Step 27, the invention consist of having a section or the handle portion of the scissors flat in such manner that they may be applied to any size cap or bottle top or jar or like a receptacle and such flat portion will thereby serve as a grip to enclose or clamp the cap or top of a bottle or like receptacle by a lever action which will instantly and effectively remove the same. We do improve by an additional feature is an attention on one of the handle portions or the shear bar which is possible to pry open lid or top of bottle and nutcracker, and also in cup scissors we put rubber because when the customer use them, do not feel lamp when using in a long time. We have also made additions such as a knife to make it easy for user to cut vegetable, fruit, and other parts. In addition, we have also made addition by placing a serrated blade for user to make it easy to cut the bread so that the bread surface is flat and beautiful. In addition, we have also provided a place to open the lid of a drinking water bottle or the lid of soy sauce easily and not break. Pattern Step 27 did not do innovation for their blade, so we do improve into more function and benefit for customer. In addition, we also to reduce the risk of injury for children, we provide a shield for the scissors. The consumer will buy this product because we have security features.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hidayah binti Mak Jawi. I will present about the report of user complaint review. There are two types of review, which is good review and bad review. First, the good review of our product is good quality. This is because we use metal alloy material. Our product also easy to use and durable because when a product has a good quality, it can make it easier for someone to do a job. Next, our product also lightweight that can help people who have hand and grip problem. Besides that, the bad review of existing product in marketplace is poor quality product. This is because some of existing product use bad quality steel and this will make people difficult to use the product. In addition, user also complain that some of existing product easy to broken and heavyweight. This will make people feel not worth it with the product offered in the marketplace.
Next is problem analysis. First is who use the product. Multifunctional kitchen knife scissors can be used by everyone, but especially it is invented for housewife because it's easy to cook. Second is when to use our product. Our product can be used at any time if one cook or cut anything. Third is why. Can save time, money and save use for users. Fourth is why user need the product. User have problem which is limited storage space to keep scissors, knife and another utensils. Second is waste your money because they buy one scissors for one functions. Third is multi-functional kitchen knife scissors was easier for them to do work in the kitchen, more comfortable and easier to bring wherever. 5 is where. Multi-functional kitchen knife scissors are usually used at home by housewife, and this product can also be used when doing outdoor activities such as picnics and camping. Because this product is easy to carry, has a variety of functions that can facilitate work and easy to use. 6 is how. The problem faced by user are that the equipment is not durable, storage space is limited as well as frequent loss of equipment due to many other appliances. Second is our product can solve users' problem because they are equipped with various functions that can solve user problems, and our product equipped with the best quality guarantee to satisfy the users.
I will describe the research that has been done through Google Form. The majority of responses received were from females, which was 44 responses and 21 responses from males. The responses received was more from the age group of 21 to 24 years old and also received a lot from the age group of 25 to 28 years old. Workers and students are the most likely to respond. There were a total of 47 single people who answered this question, followed by 16 people who were married, and there was one single mother who also responded. There are 29 respondents who love to cook and the rest choose sometimes. Next, respondents often use knife in the kitchen and sometimes even use scissors in the kitchen. In addition, sometimes they have limited space to store items in the kitchen, and respondents also reply that sometimes they face the loss of kitchen utensils. Respondents often prefer multifunction tools and they are interested in a combination of knife and scissors for use in the kitchen. This is because they often have the problem of spending more to buy kitchen utensils. The price range they choose to buy multifunction kitchen knife and scissors is from RM21 to RM25.
Okay, now I will explain the design compilation for our product. Firstly, the material of our product that we use is made of metal alloy. The advantage of this product are can being strong and staying sharp. Usually, this product can prevent them from rusting. Secondly, I will explain the physical fallout of our product. It is not too heavy and light to carry it. Then the weight for our product consists 41 gram until 59 gram. Next, our product also have a good performance, which that it made of from stainless steel and long lasting. It also one of good tool for kitchen that can save a lot of time in cutting pieces. Then, this product also has a good user requirement when use it. For example, user can cut vegetable ingredients like seaweed, onions, and others. This product also can make user easy to handle it because the utility knife and kitchen shears handles are ergonomically designed. Finally, I will share environmental requirement about our product. After using this product, user needs to use warm water, mild detergent, and towel to clean it. Then, wipe dry and store in an area with good ventilation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now, we go to diversity target user. Our product is Scissors Kitchen. The product with innovation is suitable for housewife, adult, teenagers, and newbies. And also every candidate can use this product. We more target for housewife because they always use scissors for cooking. When they use our scissors, they did not have a problem. That's why we interest in our Scissors Kitchen because they can save their times, money, and safe use. After all, we provide safety feature in the Scissors Kitchen. Housewives need this Scissors Kitchen because they always forget where they put the scissors when they have a variety of scissors in one function scissors. Next, adults, newbies, and teenagers also attract to cutting vegetable when the Scissors Kitchen easy to use and easy to cut bread because they do not need to buy bread cutter separately. They also do not worry about opening soy sauce cover because the bottle cap is more dangerous than our bottle opener.
Next, I will present about the costing information of existing product versus your product. The product available in the marketplace offer lower price as compared to our product which offer relatively expensive price. For example, Zoshan Heavy Duty Kitchen Scissor offer a price at RM5 at Shopee and SK5 Japanese Multi-Purpose Sharp Scissor offer a price at RM4 at T5 Stain at Lazada. While our product price is RM21. Our product are more expensive compared to existing product because our product come with more function and high quality products such as stainless metal alloy product.
Next is expected pricings of our product. First is multifunctional kitchen knife scissors, more affordable price than the scissors available in the market with various functions provided. Second is in the market price for a unit of scissors in the price range of RM50 above with only can cut and no other functions can use, which is if you want to use a knife, can opener and others. Consumer must buy one each product like one knife and one can opener for kitchen utensils and it is can waste your money. Next is if buying a multifunctional kitchen knife scissors, there is only one item and there are multiple functions that user can use at an affordable price. In the survey questionnaire, we have estimate the unit price for our product. The majority of respondents choose RM21 to RM25. Therefore, we set the price at RM21 with the suitability of the functions and benefits of the multifunctional kitchen knife scissors.